Hello grade 6 and welcome back. This is the second part of final revision, which is the volumes and surface area. Let's move on. Mention the name of each of the following 3D shapes. The first one is a prism and second one is also a prism. But what is the difference between them? The first one, all its face is rectangles. So we say rectangular prism. The second one, because we have two faces are triangles, we say it triangular prism. Okay? Okay. The third and the fourth. The third one and the fourth one is they are pyramids. Why pyramids? Because we have a top, which is a point, and a base. The top is over the base. What is the base here? The base is a square. This is square pyramid. And we have also a top, only one point. Under it, it's a base. What is the base? The base is a triangle, so it's a triangular pyramid. Okay? Let's move. The triangular prism has how many triangular faces? 1 and 2. 2 triangular faces. The triangular prism has how many rectangular faces? Count the rectangular faces. 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangular faces. The square pyramid has how many triangular faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangular faces. Each base of the square is, each side of the square is the base of a triangle. So it's simple because we have a rectangle, a square. So each base, each side of the square is a base of a triangle. So we have 4 sides. So we have 4 bases of a triangle. So we have 4 triangles. The square pyramid has how many square faces? Only one, the base. The triangular pyramid has how many triangular faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangular faces. Let's move on. The rectangular prism has how many faces? 1, 2. You can call the right side and the left side are pairs. So we have one pair of sides. Pair mean two similar things, two similar faces, one pair sides. And one pair of top and bottom are the same. We can say one pair of top and one pair also of front. This is front and back. One pair of front. So we have 3 pairs. Each pair is 2 faces, so we have 6 faces. The volume of the rectangular prism is determined from the relation. Let's say this rectangular prism has length and width and height. So the volume will be length times width times height. What about the surface area? The surface area of the rectangular prism, in a rectangular prism, equal. We have 6 faces. Surface area is the summation of areas of all 6 faces. But we've said before that we have 3 pairs. These 6 faces are 3 pairs. So what is the 3 pairs? Side and top and front. So to get the surface area, get the area of the side and multiply it by 2. Area of side and multiply by 2 times plus the area of top and multiply by 2 plus the area of the front and multiplied by 2. Okay, area of side and multiplied by 2 plus the area of the top multiplied by 2 plus the area of the front multiplied by 2. Okay, let's check the dimensions. The side has a dimension, is a rectangle, has a dimension W and H, width and height. Okay, this is the side. 2 times W times H plus the area of the top. The top has the dimensions what? This is a rectangle, this side is L, so this side will be also L. And this side is W, this also side will also W. So the area of the top is 2 times width times length plus the area of the front. The area of the front, its front is a rectangle, has a dimension length and height. Why height? Because this height and this also will be height. This is a rectangle, two opposite sides are equal. So the area of pair of fronts will be 2 times length times height. So for example, if you have a rectangular prism has the dimensions 2 and 4 and 2 and 5 and 4, simply you can multiply 2 times 5 times 2, the one with the first with the second, plus the second with the third, 2 times 5 times 4, plus the one with the third, 2 times 2 times 4, and make your calculation. And this is the surface area of the rectangular prism. Let's see some examples. We have a rectangular prism, have the dimension 6, 2.5 and 3 and 4. Let's check if it's 3 inches. So the volume will be simple, 2.5 times 6 times 3. Take your time, make your calculation, pause the video. Ready? 6 times 2.5 if it's 15. 15 times 3 is 45 inch cube. Don't forget that the unit of the volume is cubed. The surface area. Take 6 with 2.5. 6 times 2.5 times 2 plus the second with the third, 2.5 times 3 times 2 plus the first with the third, 6 times 3 times 2 equal 6 times 2.5 is 15. 15 times 2. We finish the first term. Second term. 2.5 times 3 is what? Is 7.5. 7.5 times 2 is also 15. Plus 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided times 2 is 36. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 plus 15 plus 36. So we have 30, 15, 36. 0 plus 5 plus 6 11. Carry up 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So surface area will be 81. 81 what? Don't forget the area is a squared. Inch squared. With the same steps, with the same concept, find the volume and surface area for the rectangular prism on the right. Pause the video, take your time. Ready? The volume will be 6 times 3.5 times 3. 6 times 3.5 is 21. 21 times 3 is 63. 63 what? Inch cubed. Now, take 6 for the surface area with 3.5. 3.5 times 6. We have two faces of this base. 2 times. Plus. So we finished the top and the base. Now, the side. 3.5 times 3. 3.5 times 3. And we have two sides. Plus, we finished this. What is the remaining? The remaining in the front. The front is the dimension is 6 and 3. Don't forget it. We take the first with the third. Plus 6 times 3 times 2. We have two faces. Take your time, make your calculations. Ready to get the answer? Let's go. 2 times 3.5 is 7. 7 times 6. Plus 2 times 0.5 is 7. 7 times 3 plus 6 times 3 times 2 is what? 36. Let's make a calculations. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 36. We have 36. 2 plus 1, 9. 9 and 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the surface area will be 99 inch squared. Okay, let's continue. Now, the part of the equation techniques. If the volume of the rectangular prism is 81 inch cube, find its width. Simply apply the law. Volume equal 5.4 times width times, I don't see, 5 times 5. So 81 equal 5.4 times width times 5. Finish your calculations. 5.4 is 5 will equal 27. Width equal 81. To get 1W, divide both sides by 27. Make a long division. 81, 27. Hide 1 with 7. 8 divided 7 is 2. Let's check 2. 2 times 7 is 8 divided 2 is 4. I'm sorry. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 and carry up 2. 4 plus times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 108. 108 is greater than 81. So it's not possible. Try 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 and carry on 2. 3 times 2 is 7. 7 and 1 is 8. Congratulations. We have 81 and 81 is equal. We catch 3. So W will equal 3 inches. The rectangular prism on the right, do it yourself. The same concept. Pause the video and check the final answer. Ready? What is the volume? 72 equal 4.8 times width times 5. 4.8 times 5, it is what? 24 times W equals 72. Divide both sides by 24. So W equal 72 divided 24. First, how 4.8 times 5 equal 24? 5 times 8 is 40. 0 and carry up 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 and 4, 24. And the decimal point after one digit. Okay? Now, make the long division. 72 divided 24. Height 2 is 4. 7 divided 2 is what? 7 is not a multiple of 2, but we have 6. 6 is less than 6, less than 7, and multiple of 2. 6 divided 2 is 3. Let's check 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 12, 2 and carry on 1. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. Congratulations, you made it. So it will be 3 inches. Okay? Let's continue. Find the surface area for the triangular prism. I'll give you the hint and let you solve yourself. Okay? First, we have the base is 8, and this also base will be 8. And because the triangular prism have two congruent triangles, this height will be also 3 feet. Okay? Okay. What about this side, these dimensions? This side, this length is folded with this side. So it is 5, will be also 5. And this side is folded with this side. We have also 5. What about this side? It's 12. Because we have 12 opposite to it. What this side is 12. Also. So the surface area is the summation of all areas. What areas we have? We have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Be smart. Check if they are same area or same faces and multiply by their number. Like what? We have 2 triangles the same. So the surface area will be area of triangle times 2 plus. Now we finished the triangles. Plus. We have 3 rectangles. Area 1, area 2, area 3. Area 1 is 5 and 12. Area 2 and 8 and 12. They are different. But area 3 is 5 and 12. So area 1 is the same as area 3. So you can get area 1 times 2. And what's the remaining? Area 2. Area 2, which is 8 times 12. Let's make our calculations. Area of the triangle. Where is the triangle? Half times base. The base is what? Is 4. The height is what? Is 3 times 2 plus. Area 1. 5 is a rectangle, has a dimension 5 and 12. 5 times 12 times 2 plus. Area 2 has a dimension, the rectangle has a dimension 8 and 12. 8 times 12. And we have only one rectangle. One rectangle has a dimension 8 and 12, and 2 triangles, each triangle have the dimension 8 and 12. Now, pause the video and make your calculations. Ready? Half times 8 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Plus. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 12, 120. Plus. 8 times 12 is 96. Equal. 96. 120. Put the unit under unit. The tens under tens. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14. 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the surface area will be 24 feet square. The next example. Do it yourself. Take your time and make your calculations. Ready? Now the surface area will be area of the triangle times 2 okay, plus how many rectangles? 3 rectangles. Check if they are congruent or similar rectangles. 4 and 10. 4 and 10. 4 and 10. So each rectangle is similar to the other. So we have 3 same rectangles. Simply the area of this rectangle will be 40. The area of this rectangle will be 40. The area of this rectangle would be 40. 3 area of rectangle. Area of triangle, half times base, which is 4, times 3.4 times 2, plus area of rectangle, 3 times 40, equal half times 4 is 2. 2 times 3.4 times 2 plus 120. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3.4 equal plus, sorry, 3 times 3.4 equal what? Equal 13.2. 13.2, no. Half of 4 is 2. 2 of 2. No. It's not for 13.2. It's 13 times 6. Okay? 13 times 6.6 plus 120. Unit. 10. Tens. This is a part of tens. So make a decimal point and add 0. So we have 120. 6. 0 and 6 is 6. 0 is 3 is 3. 2 and 1 is 3. 1. So the surface area will be 133.6 feet squared. Ready now? The next one. Find the surface area for the square pyramid. The square pyramid have 4 congruent triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 square. So the area will be 4 area of triangle plus area of square. Area of triangle equal half times base, which is 8, times height, which is 7, times 4, plus area of square. Square means that two sides are equal. 2 consecutive sides are equals. 8 times 8. Let's make our calculations. Half of 4 is 2. 2 times 8 times 7 plus 64. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 7 plus 64. 16 times 7, 112. Take your time and check it. 64. 112 plus 64. 2 times plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the final answer 176 centimeter square. The last one. Pause the video, take your time, and check your answer. Okay? Ready? Surface area will be 4 area of triangle plus area of square. Area of triangle equal half times 8 times 6.8 plus 8 times 8. Half of 4 is 2. 2 times 8 times 6.8 times plus 64 equal 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 6.8 plus 64. 16 times 6.8. Now, first multiply 6 by 6.8. 6 times 8 is 84, is 48. 8 and carry up 4. 6 times 6 is 36, and 4 we have 40. Now we try 1, but this is not 1, this is 10. Why? Because it is in the place of 10's digit. So this is 10. Add 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 6 is 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Don't forget that the decimal point after one digit from the right. So we have 108.8 plus 64. 64 means 64.0. And to make this calculation, 108 times 0.8, 64 times 0.0 plus 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry up 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. So the final answer will be 172.8 centimeters square. Thank you for watching this video. Now move to the third part and the last part for the revision, which is the statistics. Thank you.